Welcome to another segment of our YouTube video series where we discuss scholarship for international students. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for fully funded doctoral scholarship for 2025-2026 academic section at the University of Warsaw, Poland. If you are interested in studying for a doctoral degree program in one of Europe's most prestigious university, then consider applying for this scholarship as it covers full tuition fee, accommodation, travel expenses, and all other expenses that will be incurred during the duration of study. If this is the first time of coming across our video, do ensure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this where we discuss scholarship for international students from all parts of the world. This scholarship is currently open, and all what applicants require is to apply for admission, and it will be automatically applied to your application. So the University of Warsaw has officially opened its admission for its doctoral schools for the year 2025-2026 academic section, and you could be one of the eligible scholars who will participate in this scholarship. So enrollment has begun for Doctoral School of Social Science, the Doctoral School of Humanities, Doctoral School of Exact and Natural Science, and the Interdisciplinary Doctoral School. There are about 325 places waiting for applicants in 26 disciplines. Registration takes place electronically via the Internet Candidate Recruitment Portal. So watch up to the end of this video so that you can know how to apply for this scholarship. So as we are being told, application is now open, and the university is offering 325 doctoral positions in 4 doctoral schools, and these 4 doctoral schools include the School of Social Science, School of Humanities, School of Exact and Natural Science, and Interdisciplinary Doctoral School, just like I've said earlier. So here, all doctoral candidates admitted to the university will receive this doctoral scholarship. Let's take a look at the benefits for this scholarship. Meanwhile, the implementation PhD program, which the deadline has passed, it is from 22 April to 6th of May. But this is not what we are interested in. We are interested in the doctoral scholarship. This doctoral scholarship, the doctoral candidate receive a doctoral scholarship for a period of 48 months. So this is 4 years degree program, and the scholarship currently amounts to this PNL 4242 gross before midterm evaluation, and PNF 5,340 gross per month after midterm evaluation. So doctoral candidates with disability certificate receive a doctoral increase by this by additional 1,040 gross per month. So this scholarship is also open to those living with disabilities. Moreover, a scholarship to start will be granted to 20% of candidates with highest enrollment score in each discipline. So this scholarship will be granted to those who has high enrollment score. That means it will be awarded to those with high academic achievements. So For supervisors, the doctoral school website has a supervisor search engine with bios of academic teachers willing to supervise doctoral candidates. So all you need to do is to click on this link and you see the list of supervisors that you can contact and tender your research proposals. So all you need to do is, for academic teachers, you can access this link. For doctoral schools, click on this link. So here it will lead you to so here you can search parent unit, which of the faculty, field of study, select. You can just search and leave the rest blank. So for my current search, in which the faculty is chemistry and then field is biological science, we have the names of the supervisors here. You can read more and then you see the link. You can read more and you see how to contact them. So this is their email for you to contact the specified supervisor for your course. So this is how to contact any of the supervisor. But what we need to do is to apply for admission at the university if you are interested in any of these scholarship. If you are interested in this scholarship, so you can get more information on the website about these schools. You can access any of the link here and get more information. But next is how to apply for enrollment, which is admission. So all you need to do is, I'm going to drop the link of this web page, including the registration portal where you can apply for admission. So here you can select the language of instruction, select this group of study. Here you can select the school. You can decide to study in Polish, although you must provide language certification that you understand the Polish language, also English language. If your primary language is not English, or if you have not previously studied in English, you will need to provide language certifications. So we have the interdisciplinary individual studies too. So these are the offer and or list of courses. We have the phase 1. This is when you can apply for this course, archaeology, from 15th of April to 29th of May 2025. So these are the list of courses. All you need to do is to check if the course you intend to apply is available. So we have different courses here. So all you need to do is to check. So after confirming this course is available, all you need to do is to click on the registration link, or you can decide to click it from this. Let's access it from here. So you can decide to read more about this school. So once you are convinced this is what you need, after going through the information on the specified course you intend to apply, go through the you can check for the supervisor, just like I said earlier. So this is the deadline. Scholarship is applicable for it. So these are the benefits for the scholarship. So this is the admission procedure. The first stage is from 12th to June 21st, 2025. Then we have the stage of admission procedure result, which will be announced on the 27th of June. Meanwhile, the registration in order for you to apply is from April 15th to May 29th, 2025. So it requires admission procedure fee, which is the application fee of 300 PNL. So all other interested information will be accessed through this link. So you also need the document required. Ensure you have the complete documents. We have the scan of graduation diploma for long cycle master or postgraduate studies, a description of preliminary research project proposal with title no longer than 14,000 characters, resume or CV, scan of materials evidencing scientific activities mentioned in the CV. So if you have mentioned any scientific project or research project, you have to provide the materials. So a declaration of level of proficiency in English, in participation of learning process at the doctoral school, a scan of declaration by plan supervisor confirming the agreement. So the supervisor must agree to supervise your research project during the course of study. So we have the photograph of candidate face that allow for their identification, a declaration confirming whether the candidate was or is a doctoral student or participant of doctoral study. So you must have these documents that is required. So the application procedure, after going through this information on this page, just sign up. So just like you can see, this is the details of the course. So what you need right now, if you're interested in this scholarship, or if you're interested in this course, for example economics and finance, just sign up. Once you sign up, it takes you to the registration page. So all you need to do is to create an account. So you click I have read and accept the above information, then you click on continue. Then start with the creation of your account, and you begin your application process by filling in your personal details, uploading all your documents, including your projects you specified on your CV, and also all your research proposals, and wait for subsequent email from the university in order for you to know the status of your application. So this is how to apply for University of Warsaw Doctoral or PhD scholarship for international students 2025-2026 academic year. Ensure you like this video, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. See you in our next video.